Get into the 2024 Genesis GV80. Here's an athletic performer with modern panache. The GV80's clean styling, smart tech, refined cabin, smooth acceleration, and advanced driver assist safety features bring fresh energy and inspiration to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, all-wheel drive, backup camera, lane keeping assist, keyless start, V6 cylinder engine, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control. Solid capability meets modern style in this GV80. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.